Hi everyone, this is Ashley, and today we're going to be learning about analogies. So, what is an analogy? An analogy is a comparison between two things, typically for the purpose of explanation or clarification. So here are some common examples here. So sword is to a warrior, because warriors use a sword, as pen is to a writer, because writers use a pen. And then we have socks is to feet, because we wear socks on our feet, as gloves is to hands, because we wear gloves on our hands. So these are the different types of analogies you might run into. But first, this is how you read it. If you notice, I was saying blank is to blank as blank is to blank. These are the little dots. This means is to, as you can see. This one means as, and this one means is to, once again. So the 2 dots here is to, and the 4 dots is as. And here's some examples here. So the first type is synonym. So happy is to joy, as sad is to depressed. See, I'm using this. So with the synonyms, we see that happy and joyful are the same, and sad and depressed are the same. They're synonyms. So for antonym, cold is to hot, as weak is to strong. Cold and hot are opposites, and weak and strong are opposites. Then we have tool and worker. Pen is to writer, as voice is to singer. So it's just like the other example we had before with this one right here. This would be the tool and worker one. And then part is to whole. So finger is to hand, as petal is to flower. A finger is a part of a hand, and a petal is a part of a flower. This is the part, this is the whole, this is the part, this is the whole. And then lastly, we have item and purpose. So knife is to cut, as ruler is to measure. We use knives to cut things, and we use rulers to measure things. So let's put this into practice. I have the same exact thing that was on the other slide right here for you guys to look at, so you can guess along with me. So I also provided a word bank to make this a little bit easier as well. So quick is to fast, as sluggish is to. Now, as you can see, I also color-coded them. A little bit of a hint here too. So we notice brown and brown are together. So quick is to fast, as sluggish is to. Okay, so quick and fast are the same thing, so they must be synonyms. So sluggish is to paintbrush? No. Hand? No. Right? No. Sluggish is to slow. That sounds like a synonym. But let's check the last one. Sluggish is to dog. No. So it has to be slow. And now the next one is toe is to foot, as finger is to. And this one we see blue and blue, so part and whole. So finger is to, well, this one may have given you a little bit of an answer, but that's okay. So same thing. So we see it's a part to a whole, so a part to a whole. So we have hand. And then rainy is to sunny. Okay, so those two sound like opposites to me. Oh look, yellow antonym. Cat is to right. Just kidding. Cat is to dog. Then we have scissors is to cut, as pencil is to. These two are both black. So we can see that's an item with a purpose. So here's the item, here's the purpose. Here's the item, here's the purpose. So it'd be right, since pencil's right. All right, and then of course we have a video.
Learning upgrade.
You're asking me, what is an analogy? It's a relationship between two words. Red is to stop, as is. Green is to what? At a red light, you stop. At a green light, you go. short as is big is to what? The opposite of tall is short. The opposite of big is small. 3 is to 6 as is. 4 is to what? 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Now you see what is an analogy. It's a relationship between 2 words.
All right, so as a reminder, an analogy is a comparison between 2 things, typically for the purpose of explanation or clarification. I hope this helped you learn what an analogy is, and I hope you have a good day.